Hey guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today I'm going to be showing you the Buckeye Iron Furnace. Now this is in the Buckeye Iron Furnace historical site in Ohio. There's actually a lot here. If you haven't seen my covered bridge video already, go ahead and watch it. There is a company store, old scales that would weigh the material being brought out. And there is a building up there called the Charge House, and another building called the Charcoal House. But both appear to be closed and off limits right now. But I can still show you the Iron Furnace. So, this is the Iron Furnace. Basically everyone I've ever seen has looked exactly like this. However, this one is massive compared to them. This is about 3 or 4 times bigger than the ones, I guess, that I normally see. So, we're just going to take a look around it. So, we can see the design of it. Really up here, all you have is some pillars going up to the building above. And there's actually just a really cool rock that I like over here. So, if we walk around this way, we get to the front of it. So in here we have some historical markers. This one talks about the process of casting iron. This one talks about the labor that would happen here. Then over here we have this massive wheel. And next to it is just a plaque about the shipment of iron. I'm sure this wheel is probably covered in the casting of iron, but I really wish it had its own plaque. Then walking up to the furnace, we can see that it reads on the top, Buckeye Furnace, T. Price, Builder, 1851. And then we can just walk straight up to it. Now they have some iron bars here to prevent people from going in, but it does look like somehow someone moved the iron bars. However, I'm not going to be going in there. This is a historical site. Now up here, we have what I believe is called the engine house. So, this house has a thing in it called the flywheel, which would be used to help push compressed air into the furnace. So, it does have its own marker. So, yep, it would compress the air pumped into the furnace. I'm not really sure where it connected at, but this door is actually unlocked. It actually looks like someone maybe broke it off at some point, so we're going to take a look inside. So inside it is really empty, but we do have the flywheel in here, and this piece of equipment that would probably turn it. Now this is really neat because, I mean, every furnace I've ever gone to has been ruins. So for this one to be so complete is very awesome. And it doesn't look like there's anything really back here, but there is a door, or looks like was a door at one point that went back there. So this is really all I can show over here. Now this whole site is actually pretty far out of the way of anything, but it is a pretty neat site to go to if you have the time and the chance to. So once again, this is the Buckeye Iron Furnace. It is part of the Buckeye Historical Site. You can just type in Buckeye Iron Furnace on Google Maps and it will come right up. Now, if you come here, I recommend coming at a time when the old company store is open and possibly the charcoal house and the charging house on top of the hill. And then one little thing I forgot to point out is that there is a bell way up there, if you guys can see it. I'm not really sure what that would have been used for, but it's still a pretty neat addition. Now, if you do come out here, one little thing to worry about is there is a dog that lives nearby here. Very nice dog, will let you pet it, but it will try to like cross the road and stuff, so you just got to be careful when you're driving. Anyway, this is the Buckeye Iron Furnace.